Good morning. Guess what today is? Did you guess? Did you not guess? Okay, well, I'll tell you. It's my birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you. And we're on the bus headed to Uvita to, I don't know, just look and see what it's like. Look for the waterfall that's there. So come along for the ride and for the journey, and we'll talk to you a little later. We made it to Uvita. We are walking down the street. The bus dropped us off like way, I'm exaggerating, but the bus dropped us off down the road. So we had to walk down the main road to find this little dirt road that we're now walking down so we can get to the national park. It's 7:47 right now, so hopefully we'll get there and it'll open at 8. Yes! But I like it. It smells like sweet, and like I said, like a little sour. It smells like tamarindo, like tamarind. So if you know anything about Uvita and like tamarind production, leave your comment down below. Let me know what we're smelling. Clearly labeled. Rules don't apply. We made it to the beach. We made it to the beach, and it is, I'm gonna show you guys in a second, but it's so nice. It's like expansive, like it goes way, it's really big.
I think this is
my
the
point.
biggest beach I've ever seen, maybe.
Yeah?
Yeah? I think so.
Yeah, it's huge. So we're gonna walk to the tail, and we can only go during low tide, so it's good that we got here in the morning, because high tide it gets completely covered and you can't pass. I'm happy that it's overcast. He's right, with the breeze it feels really nice.
Yeah.
We met this guy, he was a tour guide, and he was saying that today is like a cool day, and we were like, really? Because we had just walked 15 miles to get here. No, I'm exaggerating again. But we walked like 20-30 minutes from the bus, so we're like sweating and hot, but with the ocean breeze it feels really, really good.
Wow.
So the tail is over there, and have all of this beach, and there's even a beach over there. So the entrance that you pay to get into this park, the guide just told us there's 4 beaches. So your entrance, you can go to all 4 beaches. And we paid $6 each. So we're coming up on the tail, but you guys, look at this. You have ocean here on this side, and you have ocean here on this side, and that's what makes the tail. And then you turn around, and in high tide, it meets the trees. It's so beautiful. We made it to the tail. It's very rocky. How are you walking barefoot? This hurts.
Yeah, it hurts here more than the beginning. It's all rocks here. And I hurt myself. So I'm bleeding. My feet is bleeding. We made some beautiful pictures of tay.annah.
Oh yeah, we did. Thanks, yeah.
don't mind it.
Goodness, she found this perfect spot for us to sit. We have since relocated from the tail, and now we're sitting under this beautiful tree with this amazing view. Hi guys, after a nice nap we are here about to go find the waterfalls that are in this area. It's a 5-kilometer walk from here, so we're gonna take a taxi because it is very, very hot. So hopefully we can find a taxi because there are none down here. There's not a single taxi. I'm gonna talk to some people and see if we can figure this out. So we're coming up to the waterfall. Hashtag no TLC. Oh, oh, it's really nice.
So guys, damn. Okay, tay.annah, you can delete this one. So guys, tay.annah is, I think she's definitely going to either to slide or to jump. That's amazing. I don't feel that comfortable now to jump, so I'll stay here and watch her and make a video so you guys can see her. She's going up, 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 up. I want to make a video picture. Woo! How are you?
That was so refreshing. The water was so cool. It was kind of cold actually, but after sliding and taking the plunge, I feel so good. So we're gonna walk back, hopefully catch a ride back to the main road so we can get the bus to Quepos. You guys, we just met these beautiful people who gave us a ride all the way. That's their car, the silver that just passed. They gave us a ride all the way from Uvita to our hostel.
Yeah.
What? Where are they doing that?
I forgot to tell. We just had a ride.
I'm so thankful. Thank you to Patrick and Jasmine. If you ever see this from Quebec, Montreal, Canada, thank you. My heart is so full. Y'all, everything is closed on Sunday in Quepos. Almost everything. We just went to look at the menu at one place. They don't really have vegan or vegetarian options, so, and it was really expensive. So we're on the road again, looking. Let's check this place out. So we chose El Gran Escape. The Great Escape because they're open and our options are limited. Lunch is here. Oh, get it. So I got a veggie pita and strawberry mango something. Erica got veggie portobello mushroom, and we're gonna share because that's what we do. Dinner lunch was tasty. Thank you, Erica, for treating me. Yay, you're welcome. She's the sweetest.